Hello, my name is Reginald, and welcome to another edition of Microsoft Office Access 2007 tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a table using the Create Table command with SQL, Structured Query Language. This will be accomplished by meeting the following objectives. Use the Microsoft Northwind Traders database. Use the SQL Create Table command. First row, field name, computer ID, data type, integer. Second row, field name, computer model, data type, character, field size, 25. Third row, field name, date purchase, data type, date time. Fourth row, field name, lease expiration date, data type, date time. And our final row, the fifth row, field name, help desk phone, data type, character, field size, 14. We'll use the computer ID as the primary key. We'll name the table computer inventory. And finally, we'll view and verify our results. Well, let's get started. Let's open up Microsoft Office Access 2007 and the Northwind Traders database. Well, here we are, the Northwind Traders database. Let's scroll up until we locate the Create tab. And here it is right here. Let's select it. Now let's come down a little and scroll over to the right until we locate the other tab. And here it is right here. Now let's go up a little bit and click on Query Design. And let's come down to the Show Table dialog box and come down a little further to the right and let's click on Close. Now let's scroll over to the left upper corner of the screen and we come to the SQL View tab. Let's click on the down arrow and let's select SQL View. By default, we come to the Select command and let's delete it. We were asked to use the Create Table command, so let's type it in. We were asked to name our table Computer Inventory, so let's do that. And let's hit the Enter key. And let's type in 1 open parenthesis. And let's hit the Enter key again. Now we can begin to enter our data for our rows. We have 5 rows to enter data. Our first row, the field name is computer ID, so let's enter it. And the data type is integer. And we were also asked to use computer ID as our primary key, so let's enter that as well. And let's enter a comma. And let's hit the Enter key. Now we're about to begin to enter data for row 2. The field name is computer model. And the data type is character. And the field size is 25. And let's enter a comma. And hit the Enter key. Now we're about to begin to enter data for the third row. The field name is date purchase. And the data type is date time. And we'll enter a comma and hit the Enter key. Now we're about to begin to enter data for row 4 and the field name is lease expiration date. And the data type is date time. And we'll enter a comma. And now we're about to enter our final and fifth row of data, which is help desk phone. And the data type is character. And the field length is 14. And since this is our last row right here, there's no comma, but instead we'll enter a closing parenthesis followed by a semicolon. Now we'll come up above and we'll go to the Run tab right here, which is listed above Results, and we'll click on it. And now we can come to the navigation pane right here, and we can look under All Access Objects, and we can see that our new table, Computer Inventory, has been created. So let's double click on our new table and see what it looks like. And here it is. Let's double click on some of these field names so we can see the full name. And let's actually try entering in some data. That's for computer ID, computer model. Let's type in Dell Optiplex 745. For date purchase, let's type in 2/20/2011. For lease expiration date, let's type in 2/20/2013. And for help desk phone, let's type in 123-456-7890. Let's hit the tab bar. Well, we're ready to enter another row of data. Well, the table and the data looks fantastic. Praise the Lord. This has been another Microsoft Office Access 2007 tutorial with Reginald. Thank you.